Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Here I'm gonna show you how to form gallery cards in Manychat dynamically using bigcomu.com service. All the data for these gallery cards will be taken from Google spreadsheets. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a simple flow that will ask the subscriber to choose the food category, and based on their choice it will search the Google spreadsheets for matching offers and show them as gallery like this, with the big square picture, title, subtitle, and two buttons, one of them taking the subscriber back to the category selection, and another one going to a different message showing the price, which also will be pulled from Google Sheets. So I have my Google Sheets here predefined. As you can see, I have food name, type, description, and a bunch of other information. So I'll configure everything the way that column B will be searched for the subscribers selection. So whatever they choose, it will search it here. So if the subscriber chooses pizza, all these offers will be pulled, and I will use the name as title. The subtitle will be taken from this column, from description. Picture will be formed using these URLs, and the price I will take the price from here, just pure numbers. Okay, so let's see how we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna start here with the category selection. I'm gonna ask the subscriber to make the choice. So I'm using user input, asking what would you like today. The reply type, I'm gonna choose multiple choice, and I wanna save response to a custom field. The custom field will be choice made. That's where I'm saving the response. That's where the value will be saved which the subscriber is choosing. So let's add some quick replies. Made in burgers, made in pizza. All these quick replies that I'm adding, all of them have to match those values that you have in your Google Sheets. They have to be spelled exactly the same, otherwise your bot won't be able to find it. So as you can see over here, my bot will search this column. So over here I have all these words, the search words that you can see. All of them are exactly the same. If you want to use different caption, for example, anything else, as you can see I don't have it here. So please just use this feature and save reply. Let's say it will be soup. Save reply exactly with the word, with the value that matches, which spelling is exactly the same that you have over here in the Google Sheets. So let's get it back. Okay, already saved it here. Now I'm gonna create another message. I'll delete it. I'm gonna add the dynamic content message here, and let's leave it like this. Here you can see the request settings window, and we will fill it a little bit later. Okay, now just connect these nodes. Click continue to another step and just connect it. And let's create the message where the subscriber will go after choosing any of your offers. So over here I will pull the price. I want to show the price, so it will be your final price is and I'm gonna add the custom field value. So I'm gonna set up everything to save the price to this custom field, and upon the click the subscriber will be taken to this message and will see actually the price of what they have chosen. Now we have two buttons. One of them is going back to the starting message, so we have to name it here. Just click the node, double click here and rename it like start message, let's say. Boom, as you can see the name here changed. This name has to be unique, otherwise your subscriber won't be taken anywhere. So make sure you're creating the unique name. Same thing here, I will call it response. As you can see, now it has a name, so the dynamic content will know where to take a subscriber upon the button click, and we will set up the button to take your subscriber here. Okay, that's pretty much it. That's the whole flow, nothing else. Now let's actually set up the dynamic content request. So let's go to becomeyou.com service, the setting screen. Okay, it looks like this. And let's click new request. Let's name it. It'll be education. As you can see now, you can see your name here. You can change it if you want. Choose the Google account. Google account has to be linked, so if you don't have anything here, just click here and this plus button and add the Google account. Choose the Manychat account. Again, if you don't have, just click the plus button, enter the Manychat API token, and it will be done, it will be linked. Okay, now let's choose the spreadsheet. I have just one here. Select the sheet. Okay, now message type, we want to see gallery cards. We wanted the picture be big square pictures, so it's totally fine. Now let's set up the search filters. As we've already discussed, we want to set up everything the way so this B column will be searched. So that's what we're gonna do right now, right here. We're gonna choose the search column, we're gonna choose column B food type, and custom field with search word. We've just saved the search word to custom field name choice made. So let's choose it here. Now let's set up the gallery card itself. The title, we've already decided that I want to have the title taken from column A. So let's choose it here. Okay, column A, subtitle, have the column with description. The picture will be taken from this column. As you can see, all of them match. Here's the picture URLs, here's the description here, and just two buttons. I want the button take me to another message in the same flow, so I'm choosing go to message button, and to the caption we choose response message. Response message is what we've just set up, this and this name. So we are setting up the button that will take us to a node, to the next message, so it's name response, and that's what we're gonna add. here. Button. If you don't have it, like me, just type in. Just type in response. And we wanna get the price. We wanna catch the price of the offer of the item that subscriber is choosing. So let's click here. Column with value to save. I wanna save the price, right? So, and I wanna save the pure price, just number. So I wanna take it from this column, column I, price number. So let's just do it. Let's choose it here. Okay. And custom field where I wanna save. I've already defined that I wanna save this value to the custom field named choice. So that's what I'm gonna choose here. Okay, now let's set up the second button. As we're going to the message as well. I will be back. And the response message. Let's check it out. So here it is. The back button has to take my subscriber to this node. So just copy this message and paste it here. Start message. Okay. So that's pretty much it. Click save and set up settings. Here's pretty much all the settings for your dynamic content request that you need. It's request type, which is get, and request URL. And please pay attention to this little message over here that you have to add user ID exactly as it's shown in this picture to the end of the request URL in your Manychat account. So let's copy and go to your Manychat account. So let's open here dynamic content request. Here's the request settings. Choose the request type get. Just paste the URL here and add the user ID to the end of the link. That's it. Everything is set up. Publish. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let's check it out. Preview. As you can see over here, we already have our quick replies. So let's say I want to choose salad. Here are my results. I click back. It's gonna take me back to the category selection, and let's say I want to choose anything else which has to be soup. And here it is. So now if I make my choice, choose this, let's say, I'll get the message with the price. Well, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Use dynamic content and make your life easier.